Hi, this is Marty and we're doing a video of my cleaning up the ABC, D, E and F area. That's the E and F area of the Dougherty garden. And I don't know how loud it's going to come out, but hopefully it's a little louder than my tablet, which for some reason I can't regulate the volume of the voice. So hopefully you can hear me a little better on here. But basically this is my Eureka palm tree, and back here my mulch rake is a Christmas palm tree with a bunch of Christmas seeds there. And here's the Eureka. This is going to be a cut flowers itself. You need to go through and use that little pruning shears, which is those my fingers cutting it, to get all that garbage off. Now, I'm up to this area, and here's my little sifting tray. And what I do with the sifting tray is I rake all the garbage and gooky stuff out over here, and I put it into one pile. And as you can see, this is the gooky stuff before I do any sifting. So I take my little pail, gather up 2 pailfuls of the goody stuff, put it on my sifting there, and then I go up there and I shake it out, and all that pretty debris that you see there amongst my baby palm trees, which I'm waiting for like years to get any seeds to come out of, but that's part of life. And anyway, what I do is I shake it up there before I spread any more of my more expensive mulch that used to be $1.49. Now, depending on where you go, is $4 to $5 a bag. Figure that out. It's a waste byproduct. How could it be expensive? It's a byproduct. Well, anyway, getting back to my little area over here is a what you call coffee plant, which was the raw processable plant dead, but fortunately, let me just hold this. I'm shaking it in one hand. So what it does is it came to bloom. I cut the top off it, which died, but unfortunately my plant benefactor Ruth passed away just a couple of weeks ago, and she had given me these 2 plants. This one was a little tardy, and it just started growing a couple of years back after my big one over there, which is a real producer of coffee seeds. And here is my old man palm, and there is I forget the name of it. I keep on calling it. It grows to about 10 feet tall with white flowers. I'll put it on the notes what it is, but basically I put it in the pot, and what the pot did was just, in a windy day before, folds over and lays right on top of my little old man palm. So I had to cut 1 or 2 sheets off and just let Mother Nature take its course and clean it up. And there's my last part over here is iris plant, which they call a walking iris. I have 2 pots. You can't see the pot behind the tree, but that's the one pot. So I have to transplant that and the other one into one pot to hopefully make it look like this big full one. So there's the rest of the area with all the coconut, Jamaican coconut palm trees, and there's all my what do you call them, Madagascar trees from Ruth's garden, and a bunch of aloe, and 2 little stones, which if I bought nowadays it would be a couple $100 a piece. But when we were building the homes over here, I asked the guy, here's $20, can I have those 2 stones up in the front? He said, no problemo. And delivered them, put them there, say over 20 years ago. So they were rather heavy. All right, thank you for stopping by. Please like the video to keep me continue on from doing something fell. Can't see what that is, but here, just get you a close look. Look at all the scorpion beans. All right, there's all my aloe plants over there, and a few of coral creeper, which is an invasive species, and a few other goodies. So for now, let me just sign off and say thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to keep me and doing videos of the gardening. And thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.